Now that you have a heart device, it is important that you stay connected to your clinic with remote monitoring. Remote monitoring is prescribed by your doctor and lets you stay connected to your clinic via a secure Medtronic network. It is convenient and easy, allowing you to continue living your life feeling secure and connected. Your heart device can communicate directly with the MyCareLink Heart mobile app on your smartphone or tablet. MyCareLink Heart lets you stay connected to your clinic, providing you peace of mind and freedom so you can continue to live your life uninterrupted. When you open MyCareLink Heart, you will see this home screen. The My Heart Device tile lets you see information about your heart device, like serial number and device name, as well as information about your clinic, so you are comfortable answering questions when asked. The My Transmissions tile helps you feel confident that your clinic receives your heart device data, because it allows you to see your last successful transmission, view upcoming automatic transmissions scheduled by your clinic, and send a transmission when your clinic requests it. The My Vitals tracking tile lets you record your weight, blood pressure, and heart rate, and track these measurements over time to help you better understand your health status. You can share this information with your clinician at your next in-office visit. The My Symptom Journal tile lets you keep a record of your symptoms to share with your clinician at your next in-office visit. The Physical Activity tile allows you to track your physical activity level with data that the app gets from your heart device, motivating you to engage in healthy behaviors. The Education tile gives you easy access to frequently asked questions and answers about living with a heart device. The My Clinic tile lets you view information like the location and phone number of your clinic. You can also access directions to your clinic in this tile. Like other apps you may use, MyCareLink Heart can send you automatic notifications through the app, by email or by text message, to help you stay connected to your clinic and let you know when your transmissions are received. The MyCareLink Heart mobile app is designed to give you greater freedom, convenience, and peace of mind. Continue with your daily life knowing that your heart device is connected to your clinic wherever you go.